Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can invite your teammates or the team member on your Monday.com account. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to our account, and after going to the account, as you can see, we have to open our dashboard. And after opening the dashboard, as you can see, you will be able to see the invite option here. So we have to click on the invite. And as you can see, after clicking on the invite, now we need to provide the email address of those accounts whom we want to invite. As you can see now, the anyone at safetyradar.com can't find the access this board. So as you can see now, simply what we have to do, we have to click on the invite, and after clicking on the invite, as you can see now, we have to click on this our account, and after clicking on the account, as you can see, you will be able to see the option for the explore team. So we have to click on the explore teams, and after clicking on this, as you can see, has an option for the invite. So we have to click on the invite, and as you can see now, we have to write the email of those who we want to invite. For example, I want to invite this account, so let's write the account here. Email address, we need to write the email address here, so I'm going to write that. And after that, as you can see now, simply we have to click on the invite, and after clicking on the invite, the invitation will be sent to this account. So in this way, you can invite any kind of team member and the teammate on your Monday.com account. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can invite them. So see you guys in the next video.